It's day 3. We're in Disney World. Everyone has just finished breakfast, and we've gathered on the buses, and today we're going to the Animal Kingdom. Today's one of my favorite days in the park because first we go see this amazing Lion King show, and sometimes our kids get involved and actually join the characters for part of the show, and it's just so exciting to see all of them involved. Then after that, we're going on a safari deep into the forest, and we get to see even more animals. Now, Pete and I always go back and forth because I can't believe that these animals are real, but he promises me that everything we see is alive and kicking. So we're going to go on that adventure in the safari, all in the Animal Kingdom, and we're live from Disney World. Thank you.
One in AK.
That's right. Oh no! Not now. Who's there?
Oh, no. He tries every year.
We might see Mickey, and we might see some princesses, and we might see a bear. Nala.
See, Mom, this is what I was going to show you. Oh, look at my
I cannot remember.
Good job, buddy. We don't have 100 wheelchairs.
Look at that, man. It looks like a tree.
Carrie.
Welcome, Ace and TJ's Grin kids, to the Festival of the Lion King.
But my giraffes, they were right back here.
That's right, you know what I think. I think it's time to finish the song. My darling, don't be my darling, the lion we will die.
I'm saying my
Hello! Hello! Look at me! I'm in a parade!
Give her a hug. You give me a hug. Will you give her a hug? Oh, thank you. Give her a hug.
Elephant.
All right, we just got out of the Lion King show, which was amazing. All the kids were able to get in there, get involved. They were able to sing. They met the characters. They got some autographs. It was excellent. And now we're about to take this lion safari or jungle safari, something like that. I have no idea. But all the kids are really excited about it. They're going to see all their favorite animals and just kind of sit back, take a break, and enjoy it. So everybody's having a really good time, especially my buddies Tommy and Jake and Miss Barb taking my camera time. A little FaceTime. But everybody's having a really good time. The families are really enjoying this. Kids are just, it's amazing to watch these kids smile and enjoy this and do things they've never done before. And just during the Lion King show, I actually saw one of the kids trying to clap who'd never done that before, and it was just, it's amazing to watch all this happen. So, but I have to go get on the safari because I don't want to cry, and I really like these animals.
Keep your eyes open and drive carefully. You should see lots of animals.
Roger that, Wilson. We'll keep our eyes open.
He also produces a special oil in his coat that prevents him from getting wet.
You got left, dude.
Yeah, we gotta see this kitchen. Older, so you can tell because of his tusks. You can see his tusks starting to grow. That would make him about 2 years old. You notice they're almost white in color other than their beaks, legs, and tail feathers. 20 miles per hour. Yeah, I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna go.
That sounds like a good idea. They're not the nicest